All right, ready to uncover some seriously profitable MicroSaaS ideas.
Today, we're exploring real-world examples of solopreneurs and startups making bank.
Some even hitting $40,000 a month.
Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out,
These insights will spark your creativity.
and get those entrepreneurial gears turning.
So what is a MicroSaaS anyway?
It's all about small, focused software solutions.
Targeting a specific niche,
Think low overhead,
manageable scope.
and the potential for high profit margins.
Sounds pretty appealing, right?
Let's jump into some real-world success stories.
One that caught my eye was Scrabo.
Imagine effortlessly finding businesses ready for your marketing services.
That's exactly what Scrabo does.
It targets small business owners who need targeted leads.
Pretty genius if you ask me.
Then there's Press PAI.
Ever wished for a smarter way to connect with journalists and get featured?
Press PAI makes it happen.
Helping you stand out from the crowd.
Speaking of standing out,
What about YouTube thumbnails?
ClickPilot takes the guesswork out of optimizing them.
You can preview and compare against your competitors.
And for all you subscription businesses out there,
Growth Panels is a game changer.
it's all about rewarding your customers for actions beyond just purchases.
Building that engagement and loyalty.
Have you ever struggled to design a logo?
Sketch Logo AI lets you collaborate with AI to create something unique.
It's seriously addictive to play with.
This next one is interesting.
Repurpose Pi capitalizes on the short-form video trend.
It turns tweets into TikToks and YouTube Shorts.
Talk about efficiency.
Now this one is for the competitive folks.
Keep the Score lets you build leaderboards for anything you can imagine.
Track progress.
Add some friendly competition.
Genius.
And finally,
Excel Formula Bot.
for anyone who hates dealing with complex spreadsheet formulas,
It generates the code you need using plain English.
no more late nights battling VCup.
So we've seen some amazing examples.
But building a great product is just the beginning,
You need a solid marketing strategy.
and the right monetization model to succeed.
Don't underestimate the power of landing pages for validation either.
It's a low-cost way to test your assumptions.
And see if there's real demand for your idea.
Welcome back!
We've seen some impressive examples.
But this is just the tip of the iceberg.
MicroSaaS opportunities are everywhere.
You just need to know where to look.
And how to make it work.
Exactly.
Building the software is one thing.
But turning it into a successful business.
That's a whole other challenge.
Absolutely.
Strategy is key.
We need a solid marketing plan.
A pricing model that makes sense.
And most
A
importantly,
way to validate your idea.
before you invest too much.
Time and energy.
Right.
One thing that keeps popping up
Is this idea of using landing pages?
as a testing ground.
It's a smart move.
A well-crafted landing page.
Can help you gauge interest.
And gather feedback.
before you even write a single line of code.
Dipping your toes in the water
Exactly.
before you jump in head first.
Ugh.
Remember those of you who shudder?
At the sight of a spreadsheet.
This next one is for you.
Excel formula bot?
I can't tell you
How many hours I've wasted?
trying to figure out VLOOKUPs.
The nested IF statements?
Spreadsheets are powerful tools.
But let's face it,
Formulas could be a nightmare.
Excel formula bot solves this problem.
In a brilliant way.
You describe what you want to do,
In plain English.
and the bot generates the formula for you.
Magic
Proof that even seemingly mundane problems,
can be turned into profitable businesses.
the founder is making $40,000 a month.
That's incredible.
It's a perfect example of finding a pain point.
And offering a simple, affordable solution
That $9 a month price point is key
makes it accessible.
to a wide range of users.
From students to small business owners.
To corporate teams.
Okay, let's switch gears.
And talk about something a little more fun.
This one is for all the competitive folks out there.
Keep the Score.
This is a fantastic example of gamification.
Keep the Score lets you create leaderboards.
For literally anything
From office ping pong tournaments
to personal fitness goals.
it's a clever way to add motivation and engagement.
Whether you're competing with yourself.
Or with others.
I love that.
And they've nailed their pricing strategy.
With a limited free tier.
And a feature-rich paid version.
For just $28 a month.
It caters to both casual users.
And those who want more.
What's even more impressive
Is that they bootstrap their way.
to $10,000 a month in revenue
It shows you don't always need outside funding.
to achieve significant success.
Absolutely.
It's about being resourceful
Starting small.
and building organically.
Now for our final example in this section.
Let's talk about Unicor platform.
I've heard about this one.
It's an AI-powered website builder
Designed for simplicity.
and ease of use.
Perfect for solopreneurs and startups.
Who need a website?
But don't want to get bogged down.
By the technical stuff.
They've streamlined an entire process.
Leveraging AI to make website creation a breeze.
It's like having a virtual web designer.
Guiding you every step of the way.
And get this.
They offer a free forever tier.
No wonder they've helped create over 100,000 websites.
That freemium model is
They're
brilliant
attracting users?
and showcasing the value of their platform.
It clearly paid off.
Because they hit a $16,000 a month revenue milestone.
Before being acquired for $800,000.
Talk about a success story.
It just goes to show.
Even in a crowded market,
Like website builders.
there's always room for innovation
Absolutely.
and disruption.
That's a perfect segue.
To a key takeaway.
From all these examples
Choosing your niche wisely
is crucial for MicroSaaS success.
It's about finding that sweet spot
where your unique skills and passions
intersect with a genuine market need.
exactly
Don't try to be everything to everyone.
instead
Focus on becoming the go-to solution.
for a specific group of people
It's about solving a problem you understand deeply.
and offering a product that truly stands out.
And if you're enjoying these insights,
Hit that like button.
and share this episode.
With someone who needs a little entrepreneurial inspiration,
There's more to come.
we're about to dive into something truly mind-blowing.
The world of AI co-founders.
All right, are you ready to explore uncharted territory?
AI co-founders.
Is this the future of entrepreneurship?
It's definitely a concept that pushes the boundary.
I'm a little skeptical.
But also super intrigued.
Right.
Imagine this.
An AI that's not just a tool,
But a true partner in your business.
constantly analyzing data,
Brainstorming ideas.
even refining your marketing strategy.
It's like having a superpowered business consultant.
Available 24/7.
But does it really understand?
The human side of things.
What about intuition?
Creativity.
Those gut feelings.
That drive so many entrepreneurial decisions.
That's the million-dollar question.
While AI can't fully replicate human intuition
It can process information
and identify patterns,
in ways we never could.
an AI co-founder could analyze market trends,
Customer behavior
even competitor strategies.
with incredible speed and accuracy.
That frees you up to focus on the things AI can't do.
Building relationships.
Connecting with your audience.
And ultimately,
Making those tough decisions.
that require a human touch.
It's about leveraging each other's strengths.
The AI brings data-driven insights.
And you bring the vision
The creativity.
and the human
It's a
connection.
powerful synergy.
I'm starting to see the potential here.
But let's play devil's advocate for a second.
What about control?
How do you ensure
That this AI
stays
co-founder,
aligned with your values and goals?
that's where responsible development comes in.
And clear communication,
It's about setting boundaries
defining roles,
and making sure the AI understands.
your vision for the business.
Think of it like training a highly skilled employee
But one that happens to be powered by artificial intelligence.
who never takes a vacation.
But seriously,
This raises some interesting questions.
about the future of work.
If AI can handle so many tasks,
What does that mean for human entrepreneurs?
I think it's less about replacement.
And more about an illusion,
AI can automate routine tasks.
but it can't replicate
The human spark.
that drives innovation and connection.
I believe AI will actually create more opportunities.
For entrepreneurs,
How so?
by freeing us from the mundane,
AI empowers us to focus on what we do best.
solving problems,
Building relationships.
and creating value,
It allows us to be more human.
not less.
I love that perspective.
It's not about AI taking over.
It's about AI empowering us.
to reach our full potential.
Imagine the possibilities for collaboration.
Could we see virtual mastermind groups of AI agents?
Sharing insights and accelerating innovation.
Across industries?
It's definitely within the realm of possibility.
AI could facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration.
On a scale we've never seen before.
So,
As we wrap up this deep dive,
into the world of MicroSaaS.
remember this,
Whether you're building a simple tool,
or envisioning a future with an AI co-founder.
it all starts with solving problems
Creating depth.
and having the courage to bring your ideas to life.
Thanks for joining us.
On this incredible journey.
Into the world of MicroSaaSes and beyond.
The next time,
Keep innovating.
keep exploring
And keep pushing the boundaries.
of what's possible.